What's up guys, and welcome to the Car Wars YouTube channel. So today is another exciting day for us. We are going to be digging into the Z06 and finding out, did we really get a good deal that we think we got, or did we just get ourselves a financial mistake? So stay tuned and you guys will find out with us. Also guys, welcome to all the new subscribers. Guys, thanks for all the love and support. I mean, we love it. We read to the comments. All you guys are positive and supporting us. So thanks for that guys. We love you guys also. And at the end of this video, we will be announcing the winner of the shirt. We are doing a shirt giveaway, so stay till the end to find out if you won. And we are doing another shirt giveaway. So some of you guys already know, you have to be following us on Instagram. You guys have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. And third, you have to go into the YouTube comment section and comment Corvette, and you will be entered to win one of these shirts. So go ahead and do that, but now it is time to dig in the Corvette. But before we get working on the car, I gotta make myself a coffee. It is such a gloomy day today, so I think Peter already started, but you guys already, according to the comments, I'm gonna do nothing anyways, so might as well make myself a coffee and then join Peter. So Peter already started, so pretty much what we gotta do today is everything, guys. We gotta do everything, and we gotta start working on it. We're gonna be doing the live stream right here in about like 30 minutes, and we haven't got anything started yet. So we gotta throw this on and get cranking. Guys, it's crazy how light this hood is. I mean, it is real carbon fiber, but I mean, look at that. That is so sick.
That's really light. I mean, one hand, dude.
Talk about weight reduction. All right, let's keep going. Alright, so we got some of the front end taken apart. Peter took that reinforcement off, and also this door. So exposed some of it, well, and the fender. So it's starting to look a little bit like the Smurf event. But now we're gonna start tearing into the rest of it, take it apart, and see what we need to order pretty much. So let's keep working. Alright, so what I gotta do right now is pull the seat out, pull the steering and the dash. So let's see how much we can get done. Alright, so I have pulled the seat and the airbag, Gotta continue working on the interior. I think we're gonna have to take literally everything out in order to pull that dash. And Peter is starting to pull that rear bumper, because we gotta pull off this rear bumper in order to take the quarter panel off. So he did some work. It's pretty wild how much stuff there is under this fender, but that's what we're doing. Alright guys, so this is the progress. I took apart most of the dashboard, or part of the dashboard, and the center console. While I was doing that, Peter was loosening up the rear end and the quarter panels, and I think he got most of it off. So we're gonna pull that bumper off right now, and then the quarter panels, so enjoy. Alright, so we got both of the quarter panels off, so it's pretty sweet how they did this. This little duct goes to this cooler. So we got this cooler. I believe this is a transmission cooler, because these lines, they go into this cooler and then they run all the way to the front through this rocker. They run right here, and there's another cooler. So I guess it has two transmission coolers, because they are literally tied in together. So there's this cooler. I mean, it looks nice. Look at that, looks pretty exotic looking right there. And then we got another cooler right here, also with a duct. So pretty sweet. And this probably goes to the diff or something. But they got a bunch of stuff hidden in this one. Alright, so Peter's gonna start pulling this whole piece off. We gotta see if the lines are damaged under or not. And I'm gonna continue with tearing the dash apart.
Alright guys, so we got it all torn apart, and now it's time to talk about the damage. There is
there is hidden damage, but nothing, I guess, crazy. So starting with the door, it's good. Good door, good rocker panel, good fender.
So it still looks like a Corvette from this end, guys.
That's about the only end that still looks like a Corvette.
Yeah, but things are about to change.
All right, so on the front, guys, it's not that bad. Just all the the radiators and a bunch of plastic pieces here got bent. It still has AC. It still has Freon. It still has coolant in it. So we're gonna get a new AC condenser. We're gonna check how much the radiator costs. We checked the rails, we checked the diagonals, and then up and down, and they're all, I mean, they're perfect. They're within a 1/16 of an inch. So the rails are perfect. But obviously we're still gonna have our professional frame guy come out and check him out, measure him. He's got his tools. Moving on, this fender is good. We just had to pull it off to get to the door. The door is, it got hit, and then, so we had to pull it off. And then the rocker panel right here, you got
transmission lines. They are smashed. So that right there is some hidden damage that we didn't think it was going to be there. But, I mean, kind of saw that the rocker was crashed, but we didn't know that the lines were inside there.
Yeah, that's something we learned. So, I mean, just in general, it has so much more stuff than like the C6. I mean, it has like all sorts of coolers right here. There's so much stuff going on.
Like, look at all these little computers, or not even 100% sure at the moment what this is, but we didn't trace it. But look at all these lines, everything. It's like jam-packed with stuff.
With just exotic stuff that made this car, you know,
but guys, check out
that it is.
the 90,000. But check this out. It does not look like a real car anymore. This thing, and even under the fender, look at that, computers, tanks. I mean, they got all sorts, horns. Look at all that stuff.
Those are crazy.
It's crazy how much stuff they shoved into this car.
And in the back, we got all the like interior panel laying over here, but we had to pull off the quarter panels because we're gonna replace that one. The rear passenger, the bumper is all good. We just had to pull it off to get to the quarter panels. And then this piece right here, this air duct for this cooler here. I mean, it'll still do its job, but it just looks kind of ugly.
It's cracked, and you can see through. So
yeah, we can see through. So, you know, this car deserves all good working parts and good looking parts. So.
Guys, look at that. Does that not look like a parts graveyard?
It looks like it's still in the assembly line. All right, I guess let's move on to the interior. So we have to pull the dashboard. We actually already bought a dashboard. The only one I found with red stitching. Ours has to be specific. It has red stitching all around. There's like 4 or 5 dashboards that were cheaper, but with just regular white stitching. I don't know, we just decided to go with what original is. So, you know, just to bring it back to what it was. But yeah, pull the steering wheel, pull that airbag.
I was hoping I can pull the dash without removing the steering wheel and all, but nope, everything had to come out. Everything must go.
Yes,
let me tell you,
huge sale.
It's a huge sale, guys.
Everything must go.
Everything must go today. Look at that. Interior is fully out. It was nice. It's nice that the roof is removable. It made it so much easier to work on this car. So that right there is all torn apart.
Yep, and then the dashboard. Then hopefully, you know, mid this week, our other one comes in. And then we still gotta figure out with the seat.
This thing's torn.
Yeah, we gotta figure out, you know, with the seat airbag.
Yeah, both of the seat belts are locked up. They're blown.
And then the module has to get reset, or I don't know if it even can. We might have to get.
Because on the other vet, we couldn't reset it. We had to buy a new one.
Yep.
But this rocker though, it's really glued on here hard. Either had to tear that sucker off.
I think it took me like an hour to rip it off. We'll get a new one of these. It could have been like these fiberglass parts could be repaired, but I don't know. They're not too crazy expensive. They're not insane. I mean, if they were like 2 G's, we'd probably, you know, repair
Try
them.
to repair it, yeah.
But they're okay priced. They're fairly priced. That's why we love GM.
Yeah, a lot of these GM parts are actually reasonably priced at the dealer. We learned that it's worth checking with the dealer first before buying aftermarket, because I mean, even on the bumper, the front bumper assembly, I mean, junkyards are wanting like $1,500 to like $2.5 grand for the front bumper assembly. You can pick it up from the dealer around the grand.
Right? Yeah, $1,100.
1,000
assembly with cameras.
with
This thing came fully loaded because it's the 90 grand package.
It's a 90 grand package.
Alright guys, so that is all the damage. We exposed it all, so now we know all the parts that we need to order. We looked through, we're gonna double check one more time to see if we need any more parts. But guys, comment in the comment section, how much do you guys think we're gonna be in parts? I mean, it's kind of tricky because the car is kind of like an exotic, but the dealer is not that insanely expensive. So comment what you guys think. How much do you think we're gonna be in parts? But now it is time to announce the winner of the shirt giveaway. Alright guys, so it is time to pick the winner of these awesome shirts. So what we've done already, I've went ahead and pre-loaded all of the comments, and I typed pressed Control F and we typed in Corvette. So we have 74 comments commenting Corvette. So they are, you know, we're gonna choose from those 74 comments. So we went to random number generator, and what was it, 74? So minimum maximum 74, and we're gonna generate a number. So we got number 51. So we already chose from newest to like newest from the bottom. So we're gonna start
oldest on the bottom.
Oldest on the bottom, and we're gonna start going up. So we got, what was it, 51. So I'm just start counting from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 49, 50, 51. Alex Dudrov. Ooh, you are the winner. So let's see. All right, Alex Dudrov, he's the winner. So we had to go and check because his account is private. So we had to go and check on Instagram. He is following us on Instagram. And reach out to us, I guess. Let us know that you're subscribed. But if you don't reach out, we'll try to reach out to you, hit you up on Instagram. All right, so that's the official winner. You guys know that we are doing another giveaway, so go enter, guys. Subscribe, go follow us on Instagram, and comment in the comment section Corvette to enter. Also guys, I am slowly but surely recording the updates on the GTR. I keep going and recording the progress. It's taken a while, so we don't want to throw out short pieces of videos. We're gonna put it all in one video and throw it out there once it's ready. So a few more weeks probably on that. Also guys, we do have this merch. If you don't want to win it and you want to buy it, it's available. It's gonna be in the description, so you guys go and buy yourself some merch if anything. But other than that guys, like, share, comment guys, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys on the next one.